So then I got this Stamping Gear from Amazon. It was only, well, $13 and something cents. When these first came out, they were like $30. So I thought it was a great deal. And what you get, you're going to get 2 sets of stamps here. You get the card. I think that's how they call it. Or the paddle. That's the paddle. This is the card. You get the gear. And then some more stamps. And the reason why I got this is because I have most of the Stamping Gear except for that one. And I do like them. I'm starting to use them more. But I have a lot of stamps in Stamping Gear. I got the circle, the oval, and I got the square and the rectangle, and that completes my set. I like these because when I was talking with my sister, I created these cards using the Stamping Gear. So this is going to be one of my what's in my stash episode. But look how beautiful that card is. Very simple with the card base, those $5 card base from Michael, a little piece of cardstock, white cardstock. You stamp it, put a little bit of flowers, your sentiment, and there you go. Beautiful. Look at that one. Happy grand birthday. These are Anna Griffin dies that I purchased, the word dies. And then this is a little sticker that I have around here, This is a sticker sheet that I have lying around here, so I decided to combine it, and look how beautiful that looks. Very simple. And then this is a Get Well card. So I used the principle of Page Wonder, which is you take a sheet of paper, you cut it in different pieces, and you create multiple cards with that one sheet of paper. So I was able to create 4 cards out of one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, which is not a lot. Usually you can get more, but I just didn't want to really slice it too much. But look how beautiful that goes with this goes with the color background and the sentiment. I really like how it looks. So I decided to get that gear because now I have the complete set. So I hope you like this video. It's a little mini haul. That's all that I got. I'm trying to be good this year, but it looks like I'm not going to be very good. Well, I keep buying stuff. And to make it worse, Anna Griffin is having a 24-hour HSN show coming out on May 7th. And they have a die. She previewed a die that is faith-based die. It has a cross. It looks nice for my cards for church. I think I'm going to have to get it. I don't know. Hopefully the price is not 80 bucks. Hopefully those dies will be within reason. I can buy it for $39 or $49, but when she starts selling those dies for 70 bucks, 80 bucks, I sometimes have to think twice before getting them. So I'm hoping those dies are going to be within reason that I can get them. But I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching. Bye now.